Hi everyone, Terry speaking, Terry Till. So in this video I'm just going to show you how easy it is to build a simple landing page with the Builderall platform of tools. So first of all, just going to go over to Builderall and click on the top left hand corner, which is the menu, and then go down to first one, Builders, and then drag and drop Pixel Perfect and left click on that, and then we'll go down to new website and click on that. And when the page is load, we've got the templates on the right hand side, but for ease and speed on the left hand side we've got all the categories, which there's every type of category you can think of, but for this demonstration I'm just going to use a simple one out of internet marketing, and then we're going to go down to Optin. I think is the best. We'll have a quick look in Optin. I think this is got quite a few different ones already. It's already got it's already got ones made for, well, all sorts of categories: tennis, travel, cars, anti-age, watches, internet marketing one there. That's already made for you. Virtually just fill in the information and it's already there for you. Dating, quit smoking, poker, weight loss, weight loss, and this is just in the one section. But I've got in mind one down the bottom which is pretty straightforward. That's a nice easy form, and it's sometimes better to have a plain form than have pictures. It's best to try both and see which gets the best results, but actually sometimes the plain and simple, and some people called ugly, Optin forms work better than the colourful and ones with videos. So if you click on the right hand side, that will give you a view, bring up a web page with already on, but we'll just go straight into the edit. So click on the edit button, and that should load the page within your Builderall editing platform. And then once we've got that, we can start to... Now the first thing you want to do, as soon as you've got it loaded, I'm just going to move this screen across just a fraction. There we go. Is go to the top right hand side as soon as you've got this page loaded and click on the save, which will bring this screen, and you just put in a name. For this one we'll just put in you can use any name, whatever makes you helps you to remember what it's about. So I'll just put in where are we, test, there we go, test Optin will do. Test Optin, I'll just put one on, test Optin 1, and click on the save button. That'll bring up this little screen where you click on the save, and then it'll just bring a little green box saying it's going to be it will be effective within 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to bring that screen over just a bit if I can, because I want to get the buttons on the left hand side of the page on the screen as well. So I'm just gonna, there we go, just bring that across as far as I can. I'll just about squeeze that on. There we go. Okay, right, okay, so we've saved that. So we'll go to the header text first. So what to do on there is just click it a couple of times. There we go. If it doesn't work the first time, just click again and it'll bring up this what you get editing feature. And what I'm going to do is, I've got some text already done, which is just outside of your screen. You can't see it, but you'll see it as soon as I put it into the actual website. So just bring that up again. We're going to take this text out, and obviously you type in whatever text you want to put in, but I've already just got some pre-done. It's only simple text, so just put in the text that you want, and then if you click on the screen anywhere outside the editing, it'll keep that. Now a good idea is probably just to keep saving it as we go along like you would on anything, so you can just do the save, and that will just save it as we go. I mean, you can obviously do a few things at a time and then save it, but then we're going to do this subheader, so I'll just get another little bit of text for the subheader, header, and I'll just copy this from the text page, and we'll just double click on that, left finger double click, that'll bring it up so you can edit it, and then just get rid of the text. Just get rid of that and put that in and click outside, and we've got this little bit there, so I've got something already prepared for that, so we'll just copy and paste this in. Double click on that and left click just by the text so we can get rid of that text and put in our text and paste that in. Then I'm just going to go up and save that. So that's all the text saved. That's, well, probably about a minute so far, and then all we've got to do is put in our email opt-in part. Now what I should have said, and I'll say it obviously now, is that before you start start editing your page, it's best to have an email list already ready in one of your email systems. If it's GetResponse, iWeb, you can use the mailing system already within Builderall, but get a list made up before you start doing this, because you'll need the details of the email list now. But if you're like me and you forget to save it, you can always just save that page here in the editor and then go away and make a list in your email autoresponder. But I've already got a test email, so what we have to do is first of all, this email we want to click, and this little arrow there, oops, if we can get it to yes, my mistake there, I should have right clicked. What I wanted to do was right click. I won't delete that from the editing, just so you can see I'm a normal person and make mistakes. So you right click on that box, and then you click on the dustbin to get rid of it. So we've got rid of that, and then we go over to the little cross and we go to, just go down somewhere, it should have, there we go, add email mail form, and left click on that, and then we left click on that. We can get rid of that box now by left clicking, and then if we tap and draw that down, we can bring that into place. Now, although that's got email and first name, the list I've made has only got an email address, which you'll probably find is better. People, the less details they have to put in, the better. We can always ask them for the name later. And we'll right click on that and go up to configure and left click on configure. Then we choose whichever email autoresponder we're going to use. If it's not listed there, you can use the other platforms. I'm just, for this test purpose, going to use a GetResponse one. So I'm going to click on there, and There's already an address I put in there from a previous one. We'll just get rid of that. And then I've got the URL for the test get response form I'm going to be using, so I'll Control V, confirm, and there we go. That puts in the email box there, or the email space there for the email address, and we'll just bring that down a bit, left click, position it, and then if we want to alter the text we can right click and left click on the button, and instead of get instant access we can just put whatever we want in there. We'll just have download free PDF now, something like that. Oops, missed an E off the free. Okay, and just click the confirm button, bottom right, and basically that's it then. We've got our Optin page done within a few minutes, so all we need to do then is just go up to the right top corner and click save. Click save there. That'll just cancel out. And that's basically it. If we now go back into our menu, I'll just refresh this. What we do is just, this is the top 3 bars here, but select the menu so you can select the page. I'll just refresh that. It should all be up to date. Okay, this was the one we was doing, the test Optin one. So what we have to do there is we go over to this box here, more options, and click on there to bring down the sub menu. Then we just click on publish, left click on publish, OK to publish, and that will just disappear for 2 seconds while it publishes. Oh, there we go. I'm going to say usually disappears, and it should now be published as it says there, published. And if we actually go over to this link and left click on that, that should bring up the page. There we go, and that's actually live now, and it's ready for action. That's connected to the email list. If somebody puts in the email address and then clicks on, they would go to well, they'd get the PDF email from the autoresponder, and then obviously you can set this page up to be directed in your autoresponder to whichever page you wanted to go to. So that is a quick way to make an Optin page. So thank you for watching, and I hope that's been of interest. If there's anything that I've missed out or you want to know about, just put in a comment below this video. I'll also put a link in below this video to go to the Builderall platform tools, where you can have a 7-day free trial and try it out for 7 days without paying any money. I hope that's been useful, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Thanks very much. Bye now.